Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I'm going to give you an update on where the Jetta has been the last month. I know I've had people ask me how it's doing, and I wanted to show you the odometer. We are at 379,720 miles. That is almost 1,100 miles since I put the Jetta back on the road, and the car is doing absolutely phenomenal. I think the thing that has made the difference the most, obviously from getting it running, but was removing the clogged catalytic converter. The amount of power that the car has now is just, it's crazy. And it feels like it does when it was brand new again. It was probably around 80% clogged or so. It was the original catalytic converter, and with that many miles on it, especially with the diesel, all the soot in there, well, I'm kind of glad this whole fiasco happened, because I wouldn't probably have removed the cat. But yeah, it's doing great. I'm getting about 40 miles a gallon stop and go. That's pretty much all I do now, is just stop and go driving. The lowest temperature that I have recorded so far with the car starting was 25 degrees one morning, and I let the glow plug light cycle one time, fired right up instantaneously like it used to. The pump rebuild is perfect. The new battery and the starter also help, and yeah, having the timing at the proper setting also is helps a lot. So I do appreciate everybody's help during the last couple of months when we had the a lot of people in the forums, a lot of people on YouTube suggested I try this and try that. It took a long time, but we figured it out, and the car's running great. So I'm looking forward for it to hitting 400,000 miles. The only thing I would like to say to VW is, why in the world did you do the odometer like this? For you guys that don't know, in the A3s, if you ever see it at the top left-hand corner, it will say the word total. That means it has not turned over to 300,000 miles. As soon as when it went from 299,999, it went back to 0, and the total that is supposed to be right there disappears forever. So you just have to add 300,000 to whatever is on there. That's just a dumb move. I don't know why. I mean, you can see there's there clearly isn't, it was 299. I don't know why they couldn't put the 3-digit there. It just makes no sense. These cars definitely will go the distance. But anyway, Volkswagen, that's really the only complaint I have. It was disappointing. It would have been nice to see it actually say 300. But anyway, it is what it is. Everything's doing great, no problems. I'm really enjoying driving it. It's smooth, it's got lots of power, and I have no complaints. So I will probably not do another update unless something happens until 400,000. And we'll do another walk around in the car. I'll tell you what broke, what didn't break. I don't anticipate anything breaking. Just keep in mind that I continue to have my handy dandy book. This book I started, it's getting old, it's 20 years old. That's where I bought the car. January 31st of 98, it had 50 miles on it, and as of the very last entry, I got some fuel at 379,592, and everything I've ever done to the car is recorded, and yes, these pages are completely full. So this is what I do on all my vehicles. Just helps me keep track of where it's going. But yep, can't wait to get to 400,000 miles, and I'll share that with you. My goal when I bought this car was to get to 500,000 miles, so I'm not that far away. It's going to take me a while. I don't drive as much as I used to, but I don't anticipate. The only problem that's irritating is sometimes my tack sticks there, and sometimes it doesn't. So I don't know. It's not worth me fixing it because I always look at the digital tach anyway. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you for your viewership. If you have any questions, if there's other videos you want to see on the Jetta, I mean, I'm gonna continue to feature it when we're doing some of our soap tests. But if there's stuff you want to know about it, stuff you want to see, if there's other videos you want me to do on the Jetta, then let me know and I'll see if I can work it out. Thanks guys, and I will talk to you on the next video.